welcome. You're watching WION World is One. I'm Bhairavi Singh. Let's begin this broadcast with the headlines we're tracking. According to reports, the Russian President Vladimir Putin is ready to halt the war in Ukraine with a negotiated ceasefire that recognizes the current battlefield lines. China stages mock missile strikes and dispatches fighter jets carrying live missiles along with bombers as part of exercises Beijing says are being launched to punish Taiwan's new president, Lai Ching-te. The Israeli military says it has recovered the bodies of 3 hostages taken into the Gaza Strip after they were killed during the October 7th attack by Hamas-led militants. Singapore Airlines tightens seatbelt rules on its flights after 1 passenger died and more than 100 were injured when one of its planes hit severe turbulence. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has opposed the recent US tariffs on Chinese EVs. The CEO, who recently visited China, warned of market distortions that come with tariffs and endorsed free market trade.